How to delete eSIM on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your Android device. In Settings, click on Wi-Fi and Network at the top. After you click on Wi-Fi and Network, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on SIM and Network in here, which is the second option. Then select the eSIM you have on your device. After you select your SIM, which is the eSIM, you'll find this kind of screen. At the bottom, you'll find Delete eSIM option. This is not available on my device because I don't have second SIM. Now, another way is by clicking SIM 2 at the top and turning it off. As you can see, unable to deactivate all SIM cards because this is the only SIM card I have on my device. You can simply turn this off and it will delete eSIM on your Android. This is how to delete eSIM on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.